Hi, Scott Wilcox here, the Bowtie Realtor, with today's 60-second gardening tip. Today we're putting in paving stones. So what I've done is remove enough earth so that when the paving stone is put down, it'll match the height of the existing sidewalk. I removed a little bit extra and then tapped everything down, all the dirt down, and put on top of that commercial weed barrier in hopes that it'll prevent some of those weeds coming up. And then dry sand and tapped all that down. And now I'm ready to put another paving stone. So when I'm done, this is going to look lovely and we'll be able to enjoy this in our garden all year long. This is pretty easy to do and really adds appeal to your home. This has been Scott Wilcox with your 60-second gardening tip. I can't wait to show it to you. Thanks.